And residents in Texarkana, Texas are still picking up the pieces after heavy wind and rain leave their homes and everyday lives uprooted. Now, people tell KSLA that they were startled not only by the numerous warnings we received, but also by trees falling into homes.
The alert about a tornado, and I was looking at it, and about 30 seconds later, you hear the woof, and it just came through, and all of a sudden you hear boom, the TV went out, everything. It's crazy.
Make sure you download the KSLA News 12 app to stay first aware and first alert to all of our storm coverage.